Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Economic Bee Hoon or easy stir-fried vermicelli. So let's start cooking. We are going to prepare our sauce for our vermicelli now. I have with me over here 120 milliliters of water. Add in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1/3 of a teaspoon of sugar to balance up the taste, a few dashes of grounded white pepper, mix them up, and add in also 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Mix them up, set them aside, and we will now go ahead to fry our vermicelli. Now we'll start to fry our vermicelli. Heat up a pan using medium heat, add in a little bit of oil, swirl the oil around. Add in 3 cloves of garlic chopped. Don't turn the heat up too high. We don't want to burn them. We just want to release the fragrance from the garlic. Once you can start to smell the beautiful fragrance coming out, we'll add in our bean sprouts. Add in 200 grams of bean sprouts. You can use as many or as little as you want, no problem. If you don't like bean sprout, you can always omit them, no problem at all. Now bean sprouts have to be cooked so that they'll be sweet. Otherwise, you have the very raw veggie kind of taste. Okay? Once they have conducted enough heat, we'll add in our vermicelli. 200 grams of vermicelli, pre-soaked, but I've soaked this in water to soften them up for about 20 to 30 minutes. Put them in. I like to use chopsticks to fry my noodles, my vermicelli. Why? Because it will not break that easily. And why do we need to fry it this way first? Because we want to get rid of the excess moisture from the vermicelli so that it can absorb the beautiful sauces later. Now I'll add in 2 tablespoons of the dark soy sauce. Now why do I not mix the dark soy sauce together with the rest of the sauces just now? It's because the color will be better and it will give you a very nice smoky flavor. Mix them up well. Soaking of vermicelli, please only use room temperature water. Do not use hot water, otherwise your vermicelli will break very easily when you fry them. This is very important, yeah? Just mix and make sure that the color is evenly distributed on the vermicelli before we add in the rest of the sauce. It's already looking so good now. Okay, when the color is even like this, we'll add in the sauce that we prepared. Pour it in. And now we'll turn the heat to medium-high. We want the vermicelli to be able to absorb all the beautiful sauce that we mix up together. This is going to taste so good. If you like a little bit of greens, you can always add in choy sam, kailan, whatever greens that you like. Okay, we are almost done. Just make sure that it's dry. Make sure that the vermicelli has absorbed all the sauce before you serve this. Mix in all the bean sprout too. When you hear that the sound is sizzling like this, I hope you can hear it. That means our vermicelli is almost done. Oh, it's smelling so good now. Okay, time to have our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. I always have this for breakfast when I was young. You can taste the bean sprout, the fragrance from the garlic. This is really good. It reminds me of my childhood days. You can pair it with luncheon meat, eggs, otar, any side dishes that you want. This is really, really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.